Imagine unlocking AI's hidden power. But here's the shocking secret. Without Python, you may never control it. AI is breaking industries, creating amazing opportunities, and rewriting the future. But the question is, should you learn Python before diving into AI? Think of Python as the secret language behind AI. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI use it to build powerful systems like Gemini and ChatGPT. Here's the unbelievable part. Python isn't just coding. It's the key to understanding how AI thinks. Imagine this, you're not just using AI, you're shaping it. But that's not all. Python helps you automate tasks, analyze data, and even design AI models. The warning? Skipping Python could leave you dependent on tools without knowing their hidden limits. What happens next will surprise you. Python knowledge makes you valuable in business, startups, and research. Please comment on this view. Will AI replace coding? What's your opinion? This could completely change the future. Python learners will discover careers as AI engineers, data scientists, and automation experts, while others risk falling behind in the revolution. The powerful truth? Learning Python before AI isn't just smart, it's your ticket to the future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezhub Tech for more future technology insights.